Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Good to have everyone here. My name is Ram. I'm a senior partner at Cedar. Most of you here are family. We have been working with most of the banks in the region. As you know, Cedar is a global management consulting firm. The event today is being brought by Cedar together with IBS Intelligence. IBS Intelligence is a UK-based pure-play FinTech research
Recording
and
in progress.
firm. And Cedar-IBSi has been quite active in hosting a series of these thought leadership summits, if I may call them, around the world. Earlier this year, we've had them in principal cities around the world, including London and India and in GCC. And the one thing that always stands out in these summits is that it is always an exchange of thoughts, experiences, and every single time I am at a summit, I leave a little more enlightened. If there is a halo behind me, you know why. Over the years, a lot of these summits have actually got us with a lot of practical experiences. The joy of this knowledge sharing process is that we actually are amongst friends, we are amongst peers, amongst colleagues, and amongst fellow countrymen, where the knowledge of what we are experiencing or sharing is actually valuable not only for us, but also for us to take back home and apply them in what we do. What we have today is, as the platform is on digital banking and AI, and as you can see, there is a lot of emphasis not only on digital banking, but AI is obviously leading not only the conversations, but most of our agenda in many banks, as we all are practically experiencing. So we will have a series of panel discussions today, but before that, we will have a short overview of the market and the trends that will be shared by my colleague, Chetan Parekh, who is the managing partner for FinTech practice in the Middle East. Following which, we have a series of panel discussions. We will have a panel on digital banking and payments, and we'll talk about what the impact is from a Kuwait economy standpoint. There would be a panel that we'll talk about on financial performance and how that is being enhanced through data analytics and what we also are calling as compliance in today's context. And the third panel will actually be on transaction banking and the impact of what we are seeing is for the next gen in what trends we are experiencing right now. We will also have a presentation on building a best-in-class digital bank, and we will also be having some thoughts shared on trends we are experiencing in artificial intelligence towards the later part of the day. I would invite you to stay back for lunch post the session today, and you would hopefully have a very interesting day. And I would encourage you to ask a lot of questions. At the end of the day, the panelists have been forewarned that this room is actually filled with people who are curious, and I'm sure you won't let me down. Thank you.